Hi, thanks for clicking on Kenny Vision. I'm your host, David, and what this channel is about is just sharing some of my life moments with you. After a lot of years watching YouTube and all the do-it-yourself videos and the great entertainment that's on there, it was about time I turned the camera on myself and start giving back. So if you could, please go ahead and click on subscribe. It's free. And if you want to share any comments or opinions or just some tips that may help make the channel better, we'll try to incorporate them the best we can. So without any further introduction, here's our next video. Hey everyone, morning. It's May 20th, 2021. It's a nice spring morning. I want to just shoot a little bit of the morning. You can hear the birds chirping in the background. Before I do some errands. You can see I've already mowed the grass a couple of times. It's hard to believe that only last month we had 8 inches of snow. So, well, there's a few things. Let's see if I can show you, if I can flip the camera around. I guess I have to stop it and then reposition. Okay, there's the magnolia tree that's blooming. We had some of the peonies coming out here. The roses are still yet to bloom. The lilacs are looking great. That's awesome. Yeah, this bush is just like blooming. Great little smell. And I'll go take a trip down there and show you what it's about. Okay, here we go. Just trying out my new selfie stick. What the heck? And got a few ones to get around this morning, but yeah, it's really kind of nice out. So here we go. It's really quiet. Well, a little bit of noise in the background. Okay, well, here's the hostas. Yeah, so we got some of the hostas really blooming here. Just last month it was all covered with 8 inches of snow. Can you believe that? Got little peonies coming up over here. Here's where I was filming the birds. Just a little while ago. Had the snowblower coming out here. But yeah, some more peonies. Hosta's really looking good. Look, we got a little bit of bird action up there. Wire. They're looking cute. I wonder if I could zoom in a bit. I'll show you a little bit more of the lilacs here. I tell you, they smell as sweet as they look too. And awesome.
show you something I discovered too. I think got a couple of birds that have nested underneath the jet deck here. They rousted them up. There's one nest. There's another. And I think there was, yeah, there's another up here. How much of that I got on film, but at least it was worth taking a picture. Magnolias doing some early morning blooming. Yeah, I did some mowing of the grass, so there's a few petals that are on the ground, but yeah, here they are for their morning bloom. This thing's really going crazy this year too. It's really blooming very nicely. I only planted it a few years ago, but yeah, there's a magnolia. It'll be opening up pretty well this afternoon. There's a nice little petal. Yeah, and show you how the peonies are doing. Really coming up. Kind of getting a few more buds right here. It'll be another, I'd say, a month or two before we start seeing any flowering going on here. And here's a whole row of peonies. And they're really going to flower nicely. I got a row of tiger lilies that are starting to come in. We won't see these blossom orange till July, but they're looking very healthy. There's a few foxglove in there too. They look nice. We got some sedum. What's going on here? Take a little while for that to come through. Just some other, pitcher plant. So that's the pitcher plant. Some more sedum. Oh, buttercups going on here. Oh, springtime in New England. Oh yeah, that's matching the pine trees, doing very well over there. Oh, there's a little squirrel over there. Wonder if we can get him on camera. Oops. Neighbors. Lily, yeah. See, Mr. Bird's still following us here. There he is. All the birds going on wild. The neighbor's lilacs are looking great. So are ours. All right. We'll go ahead and we'll say a little bye for now. We'll see what Mr. Bird has to say. All right, then I gotta go get some chores done. And continue later.